Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and I know that this is kind of a different video, but today I will be reviewing the glorious GMMK, the TKL version, which is my preferred layout. I'll kind of include this as an unboxing as well, because I've never really, I guess, shown you guys this. I've had this for probably the past week now, and I'm going to give you my thoughts and and opinions on the keyboard. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So let's start off with what kind of switches you can get with your GMMK. If you get the pre-built version, you can get the Gatoron Browns, and you can customize it from Gatoron Blacks, Gatoron Blues, and Gatoron Clears, all the way to Kale Red, Kale Whites, which are the box variants, and Speed Kale Bronze, Speed Kale Copper, Speed Kale Silver, and Kale Purple Pro, whatever they're called. And for your keycaps, you can get white keycaps, black keycaps, or black keycaps with a translucent layer, which I don't have yet, and a white keycap with a translucent layer. For my keyboard, I went with the Tenkeyless size and Kale Speed Bronze switches and just the normal black keycaps. So my keyboard doesn't look too, I guess, overkill in the beginning. So with the Kale Bronze, they are very fast and very sensitive to touch. The Kale Bronze switches actuate at 1.1 millimeters, and they bottom out at 3.5 millimeters. And to achieve that, you need 50 grams of force for the key to actuate, or sorry, the switch to actuate, and 65 grams to bottom them out. And right here, I will do a sound test, and do not be offended by my typing skills. I do not type normally. And I'm just gonna unplug the keyboard right here so you can, oh, it just plugged back in. I'm gonna unplug the keyboard so you can see what these actually look like. So they are a bronze color, obviously. And they are very satisfying to click, I have found. And I definitely recommend these. If you like a nice light key press, these are perfect. And if you also like clicky but not, I guess, they're not as sensitive to the touch, I would go with probably Gatoron Blues. And now let's just talk about some of the lighting features that this keyboard has. Now, I don't know all of them, actually. I haven't even gone through all of them. But this is what it looks like when it starts up. It kind of spirals around, and then it goes to here. To change it, you can do function and delete, and it just kind of cycles through the rainbow ones. And then using the arrow keys and function, you can change the brightness, and you can also change the speed. So this brings it all the way down, and the right arrow key turns it all the way up. And you'll know by these flashing red lights when they are either at the lowest setting or the highest setting. And now I'm just going to cycle through each color option I can find. And now for the build quality of this thing. This is probably one of the heaviest keyboards I've ever felt. I mean, it's really not that heavy, but due to the aluminum frame, it is very, very nice. There's like the keycap puller. It's not the greatest, I'm just going to say that now. And here are some rubber feet down here. Sorry, my camera's not picking up all of it. And so here are the rubber feet, and then right here there's some stands that kick out right here, and if you want a elevated typing experience, you know, you can have that. And now for the cable. It is micro USB, which I don't really have a problem with that. And it is 6 feet long. It's nice and braided, so that is definitely a plus. But yeah, that's really all I have to say about this keyboard. Definitely comment down below anything that I missed, because I know that I definitely missed some details. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.